Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 20. The sum to infinity of a geometric progression is minus 1 over 10. Find the first term, and the first term is minus 1 over 8. Now find the common ratio of the progression. Now sum to infinity. The sum to infinity of this progression is equals to minus 1 over 10. And the first term a is equals to minus 1 over 8. Now we know that what sum to infinity is given as a all over 1 minus r. A over 1 minus r. Now we have our sum to infinity to be minus 1 over 10 and a to be minus 1 over 8. Now we are asked to find what r, which is the common ratio. Now that means minus 1 over 10 is equals to minus 1 all over 8 over 1 minus r. Now when you cross multiply, you can now have that what minus 1 all over 10 multiplied by 1 minus r is equals to minus 1 over 8. Is equal to minus 1 over 8. Now this will give us minus 1 minus r all over 10 is equals to minus 1 over 8. Now when we cross multiply now, we'll have that what we'll have that minus 8 into 1 minus r is equals to 10 multiplied by minus 1. 10 multiplied by minus 1. So now opening the bracket, we have minus 8, then minus 8 times minus r will give us what plus 8r is equals to minus 10. So now collecting like terms, we have that 8r is equals to minus 10 plus 8. That means 8r is equals to what minus 2. Now dividing both sides by what 8, which is the coefficient of r, we have what 8 will cancel 8 here, giving us r, and then 2 here 1 and minus 2 here will give us what 4. So that means a is equals to what minus 1 all over 4. A is equals to minus 1 over 4, and that should be what option B. Option B should be minus 1 over 4, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.